Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is the second part of the video and I hope that you would like the first video. Let me remind you guys, I'm going to share the buying link and the bonus link in the description, so for these check the description. And ProfileMate is going to be launched on the 3rd of November, so let's review this page. What is that, how it works, why we need it. So let's start the video without any delay. Profile is the world's fastest lead generation and sales tool ever created. Scan any profile, search 2000 profiles a day, netting an average of 50 to 150 targeted emails every 24 hours with the ability to get many more. Mass contact and convert these leads instantly for free. Here is how ProfileMate is going to have you making bank as early as today. Mass contact users with ProfileMate's public email and phone number domination module. ProfileMate will search any profile fan base for you and gather 50 to 150 emails a day on average of users who want to be contacted for free, allowing you to contact them instantly and convert. Generate buyer traffic in minutes. ProfileMate analyzes thousands of profiles per hour and instantly giving you live reports of your selected audience and then giving you a list of those who are ready, wanting, and excited to be contacted. To do this manually would take years. ProfileMate delivers thousands of contactable users delivered to you every single day. ProfileMate will work when you sleep, searching 2000 profiles a day with the ability to search more and allow you to get access to the most important user information from emails, websites, phone numbers, engagement scores, influencer business to the most engaged customers. Contact any page most engaged fan with the ProfileMate's engagement domination tool. ProfileMate allows you to gather and scan the most engaged users of any fan page. For example, the user who comment and like on a page post, allowing you to engage specifically with these users for higher conversions instantly. 100% automated, doing the work that it would take hundreds of humans to do. Remove the need to manually go through hundreds, thousands, or even millions of profiles to find out who to contact. ProfileMate does this for you, giving you a list of all the key information needed. Competitor breakdown. ProfileMate will show you any competitor followers details. For example, enter any page that would have a customer base that is the same as yours, be provided with emails, phone numbers, addresses, and websites of those who have given their details to be contacted, and reach out with a value message. Never pay for ads again. While paid ads are a great way to gather leads, ProfileMate give you the same details you would normally have to pay for. Scan, message, and convert your own fans. Many people focus only on getting new fans and don't realize that their own followers are the hottest leads. Not only does ProfileMate allows you to scan any competitor or page that would have your niche following them, it will scan your own, ensuring you can reach those who have already proven to be interested in your business. Find segment users from a potential customer to finding influencers in seconds. ProfileMate allows you not to only scan all followers of any page but also segment out specific users only, like users who have X amount of fans or above, business page only, disregard private accounts, and so on. Only find the users who match your needs. Call to action based sorting. Not only will it segment out types of users, it will also segment out users who are allowing you to contact them by providing with their email, phone number, and or addresses ready to be contacted in bulk. Your occupation and interest search. ProfileMate gives you the option to gather bio data, which is what the user wants others to know about them. 7 out of 10 time on average, this includes their job or interests, following you, allowing you to market to the exact audience you choose to. Training on how to take leads and convert them. ProfileMate is not just a software, it's a community, and in launch week only, you will get your our bonus webinars along with a full video training series taking you through how to use ProfileMate, 24 into 7 support. Being the number one vendor on JVZoo means we also have an incredibly good support desk. In fact, we are in the top 1% of all users in the world using Freshdesk. We are here for any help you need. Full agency rights launch week only. That's right, often people make you pay for this, but in launch week, we are giving you full unrestricted access and upgrading your license to commercial for free. Launch week only. In launch week, we are giving you all the search features below unlocked. Which user properties you want to download for the user's name, post count, phone number, biography, business categories, public email, phone country code, follower count is business account, engagement rate, city, following count is private, link in account, also 12 post locations. On top of this, you will be getting unlimited report downloads, 2000 daily searches. Post launch it will be 500 emails, phone number, and website collections, influencer search module, one time investment, premium support, full right agency, business account search module.